Hey, shalom, everyone. Dee Dee Cooper here with a thought for today. Today is Wednesday. It is the middle of the week. How's your week going so far? I hope that it's going well and that you are yet anticipating and expecting great things to happen for you on today. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share, and by all means, go right on ahead and subscribe to the channel. From Pain to Passion, Purpose, and Power. I would greatly appreciate that. Thank you very much. Today, I want to stop by and talk to you about sound, particularly the sound of faith. God is very interested in sound. All throughout the scriptures, you will see references to sound. You'll hear about sounding trumpets, people singing, making a joyful noise, playing upon the instruments. So the Father is interested in sound, but there is a particular sound that really gets his attention, and that is the sound of praise. Praise gets the Father's attention. And why is that? Because praise is actually the language of faith. I always say that because praise takes your focus off of an outcome and places your focus upon the omnipotent one, which is the Most High. You know, he wants us to celebrate him. He wants us to extol his name, which means give him high praise. And the highest praise that we can give to the Father is that word hallelujah. In every language, that word hallelujah means praise ye Yah, praise ye the Lord. And it's in every language. So we're celebrating him in spite of what we see in the natural. The Apostle Paul tells us over in Philippians to rejoice in the Lord always. Then he repeated himself. He says, and again, I say, rejoice. The psalmist wrote, I will bless the Lord at all times, and his praise shall continually be in my mouth. So learn how to have that sound of faith, which is praise unto the Father in spite of the circumstances, in spite of what you see in the natural. Be like the Hebrew boys, in which who said, even if the Father doesn't deliver us from this fiery furnace, we know that he can deliver us. Give praise unto the Father. It is the language of faith.